PhiSital.
And 3x12 screws are used here. Screw the screws into the rivet nuts on the middle plate. Be careful not to tighten the screw. It's the front arm that's chipped. And 3x12 screw into rivet nut. Assemble the other front arm. Fix with an 3x12 screw. Assemble the rear arm in the same way. Fix two long standoffs with an 3x14 screws. Insert M3x8 screw. Installing the long standoff. Fix the buzzer base with square meter by 6 screws. Mount the camera using the N/5 screw. Install two 3x14 screws. Use 2 cubic meter by 8 screw. Fix the top plate with countersunk head screws and 3x6. One standoff needs to be installed between the side panels. Fix with them 2x6 screw. Fix the carbon plate with the M3x5 countersunk head screws. Or fix the camera mount with the M3x5 round head screws.